If you're wondering how to roll out the perfect biscuits, it's so simple. Just pour the dough out onto a lightly floured bench and gently press the dough together and make sure there isn't any loose mixture underneath. Press it or roll it out into a 2.5cm or 1 inch thick rustic rectangle. Now take the short side of that rectangle and fold it into thirds. Flip it over and gently press it out or roll it out again into the same 2.5cm or 1 inch thick rustic rectangle. Take care not to overwork it because you want to make sure you keep the layers and air trapped in between. Repeat this process 5 times to create the layers, and then on the final press it out or roll it out to roughly 20 by 30 centimeters or 7.9 by 11.8 inch rectangle. This is what you're then going to cut up into your biscuits.